Imagine trusting a doctor who barely passed their exams. They're still a doctor because they passed, but they barely passed and can perform the same medical activities as a doctor at the top of their class. Now, think about companies that only meet minimum security standards. Being only regulatory compliant is like scoring 70% on a test. It's passing, but far from excellent, and if you can do better, then you should. Many businesses equate regulatory compliance with strong security. But is it enough? Just meeting guidelines offers a false sense of security, much like believing a 70% score is equivalent to 100%. They are not the same, even though they are both passing scores. Risk isn't one-dimensional. Technological risks arise from simple errors like failing to connect devices properly. Regulatory risks involve not meeting guidelines, leading to potential sanctions. Political risk can result in negative publicity and financial loss. Each layer of risk requires attention, as ignoring them can lead to severe consequences for your organization. Best practices go beyond compliance by adding extra security layers. Using encryption in transit like TLS 1.2 is a start, but adding a VPN can further enhance data protection. It's about planning layered security controls without hindering business operations. You should also think past just technology when it comes to security, but also consider administrative controls like policies and procedures. Certainly don't forget proper training for your users either. You shouldn't stop at the minimum when you can achieve more. By implementing more that is required, your company will be safer, which will help to safeguard your organization from unforeseen threats. Hopefully you understand that just meeting guidelines offers a false sense of security. Aim for excellence and better. Achieving 100% security requires proactive measures beyond regulations. By striving for more, you ensure robust protection for your organization. Let's take action together. Review your security measures today and aim for excellence, not just compliance. By doing so, you'll protect your organization and build trust with your clients. Don't let the belief that you are regulatory compliant confuse you into believing that your company is secure. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com and we can help get you to the next level.